We get this comment on many of our videos that how many solar panels are finally required to charge a 150 battery. So here in the market, there are different types of 150 batteries available, and to charge all of them, you do not need the same amount of power. This is because the same type of inverter is not used with all of them. So if your inverter is more efficient, you can charge your battery even with fewer panels. As you already know, in the market, you get two types of technology, PWM and MPPT. And in panels also, you get two different types, poly and monopore. If you go with PWM and poly panels, it is cheaper, but there you need to install more panels. On the other hand, if you go with MPPT technology and mono half cut technology panels, your system becomes more efficient. So there you will need fewer panels. But finally, at the very end, the main thing is power. How much total power you need to charge one battery? Because the battery has nothing to do with your technology, it only depends on power. How many units of power you give to it, it will get fully charged. So here, a 150 battery is never fully discharged, so you also do not need to fully charge it. If we talk about calculation here, then according to calculation, you can never charge it properly. Because according to calculation, you will need very large panels. But this is not correct. So do not go strictly by calculation. I will give you the link of a practical video in the video description, which is made by Microwave Nagal. There you can see how much electricity is actually required to charge a 150 battery. There you will not get information about panels. There you will get information about electricity. By looking at that electricity, you will be able to figure out how many panels you need, because a 1 kilowatt panel can generate around 4 to 5 units of electricity in one day. On the other hand, to charge a 150 battery, you need around 1.3 to 1.5 units of electricity. This will depend on which battery you are using, because different types of batteries with different ratings are coming in the market. If you go with a lithium battery, it needs around 1.5 units to get fully charged. If we talk about lead acid, if you charge it with an inverter, it needs around 2 units. And if you charge it from a DC source, that is solar panels, then it needs around 1.3 units. So first of all, you need to see which battery you have. After that, you have to select the solar panels. So here, if you need 1.5 units from solar panels, then you will need around 300 to 400 watt solar panels. A 300 to 400 watt panel can fully charge your battery in one day. But if you also run load at the same time, then you need to calculate the total consumption of the load you are running. Then you have to add extra panels of the same wattage. For example, your battery needs 1.5 units. Apart from that, you are running an extra 200 watt load for 10 hours. So that becomes 2 units. So your total becomes around 3.5 units. For this, you will need around 2 400 watt panels. Then your work will be done. During the day, your battery will also get charged and your load will also keep running. So to charge 150 battery, you need to take a 300 to 400 watt panel. If you have a 200 battery, then you can take around a 580 watt TOPCon panel. Similarly, if you have two 150 batteries, then you need to use 600 to 700 watt panels. And similarly, if you have 4 150 batteries, then you will need around 2 600 watt solar panel. That is all in today's video. I hope you have understood how many solar panels are required to charge your battery. If you still have any questions or suggestions about this, then comment in the video comment box. This figure, if you like the video, then like it and share it. Also, subscribe to the channel. Along with subscribing, do press the bell icon so that you keep getting such videos from time to time. Thank you.